Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all size 0 diet plan for weight loss. This diet plan will help you lose 10 kgs in 15 days very easily. This diet plan is super effective for fat loss and weight loss, and you'll be able to see results on your first day of the diet plan itself. Recently, my few clients tried this 0 diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss results happening. These are the few of the transformations that took place in 15 to 20 days. And for your personalized weight loss diet plan, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your personalized weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with size 0 diet plan for weight loss. Starting with your early morning drink. Empty stomach, we'll have 1 fresh glass of lukewarm water, added 1 squeezed lemon to this, and pinch of black pepper powder and pinch of cinnamon powder. This drink will help you to get rid of bad toxins from your body and to kickstart your metabolism for the day. If you cannot have this because of any reason, second option would be aloe vera juice added in warm water. 2 teaspoons of aloe vera juice in 1 glass of lukewarm water. This will help prevent constipation and as well as to give you a good fiber content of the day. Now let's proceed towards your breakfast. In the breakfast for size 0 diet plan, we'll have 1 banana and 1 apple along with 2 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter should be unsweetened without any sweetness and high in protein content as well. You can also replace your peanut butter with almond butter if you're comfortable with it. But make sure to have 1 banana and 1 apple. If you do not want to have banana, you can also replace it with another apple. So 2 apples, and along with that for your drink you will have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Let's proceed towards your mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack you can have 50 to 70 grams of pineapple. Slice it and have it for a mid-morning snack. Along with that you can also have 1 freshly brewed cup of green tea. Pineapple is a natural fat cutter and helps to keep you fuller for the longer time of the day and also to kickstart your metabolism every time. Proceeding towards your lunch. As usual, 15 minutes before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water will help you lower your blood sugar levels and also to prevent insulin resistance. For lunch, we'll have any fruit raita or cucumber raita. You can have pomegranate, apple added to your 6 to 8 spoons of yogurt or low-fat curd, or you can even add chopped cucumber to your dahi. Curd, that is dahi, is full of calcium and probiotics. It has lots and lots of proteins also, and it does not make you fat in any form. It also helps you lower your belly fat. So we'll have yogurt in lunch. You can also prepare it in a smoothie form. Just blend all of it together with some water for the consistency and have it in a smoothie form. You can also add roasted jeera powder to this, roasted black pepper powder to this, and some mint leaves for freshness. 1 hour after this drink, we'll have another cup of freshly brewed green tea. So please do not skip it. For a mid-evening snack, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is you can have black tea, black coffee, or green tea or green coffee as per your own convenience and per your own choice. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds for snack. And if you cannot have this because of any reason, you can also have jeera tea or ajwain tea along with 1 cucumber and 1 apple. So this will be your mid-evening snack. Enjoy it and have it fresh. For dinner, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one will be you can have either chia pudding. Chia pudding recipe is already upon my channel. I'll be sharing a link in the description box below. It's very easy to prepare. All you have to do in 1 cup of organic skim milk or almond milk or oat milk, whatever is preferred according to your choice. Add 1 cup of chia seeds. Let it soak for at least 30 to 40 minutes. And for taste, you can even add maple syrup to this. For fruits, you can add pomegranate, that is anar, apple, pineapple, whatever is freshly available in the season. You can even add some few berries to this and have it for your dinner. If you cannot have this option, you can even have 2 boiled eggs. That works wonders for your protein content as well. You can have 2 boiled eggs. Make sure to remove yolk in this and season it with some black pepper powder, some roasted jeera powder, some lemon juice, and no salt at all. These are the 2 options for your dinner. Proceeding towards your bedtime drink, as usual, we'll have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea to relieve our stress and to help our metabolism to be up entire night. This is your size 0 diet plan for weight loss. This will definitely help you lose 10 kgs in 15 days. Super amazing for fat loss and also to help you glow your skin as well. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your personalized diet plans for weight loss transformation. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and follow me on Instagram as well for daily updates on my client transformations and also for diet plans. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.